is a type of equation where you have two different equations and you are looking for two unknown. Are you following? Yeah. You are looking for two things that you did not know, that is X and Y. Are you following?
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. So now, so this is, we have talked about elimination method before. This will be like a revision for elimination method. So now, let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay, so we have this question, 2x. No. 1 minute, please. Trying to check something. Sorry, trying to find a way around this. Okay, so we have this 2x plus y is equals to 1, and 3x plus 2y is equals to 3. So we want to find x and y. What we do is that we are going to use elimination method. Elimination means that we are going to remove one of them, maybe the x or the y. That is the meaning of elimination. And that's what we shall do now. Okay? So now, I'm trying to get my pen so that I can write. Okay, so I close this. So I go to my whiteboard. 2x plus y is equals to, let me share my screen so that, no, yeah, my entire screen. So I can navigate. All right, so 2x plus y is equals to 1. Okay, I can notice. 2x plus y is equals to 1. So what do? I need to make sure that any of these are the same. You know, I have y here and I have 2y. Before I can eliminate, they have to be the same. Are you following? So the only way I can make them the same is to multiply this one by this equation, the first equation, by 2. Why am I multiplying by 2? Because here is 2y. If I multiply this by 2, I will also get 2y here. So I will multiply this by 2. If I multiply everything by 2, 2 multiplied 2 is 4. So I have 4x, right? 4x plus 2y, because now y multiplied 2 is 2y, is equals to 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. Right? Are you following? Now, I have the second equation, 3x. 3x plus 2y is equals to 3. You can see now that the y coefficients are now the same. They are 2y, 2y. It is now easier for me to eliminate. All I do is to minus. I'm going to subtract them. If I subtract them, 4x minus 3x is going to be x, 1x. Because 4 minus 3 is 1, it will be 1x. Now, 2y minus 2y is going to be 0, because 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so it's equals to negative 1. It means that my x is equals to minus 1. Do you have any question at this point? Do you have any question at this point? Mira, are you there? Can you hear me? All right, so now I have this. Now, Since I have the answer for my x, which is -1, I will take this -1 and put it in any of the equation, right? I'll put -1 in any of the equation. Okay, good. So now I have 2x plus y. I can use this one, 3x. Now, instead of writing x, I will change x to -1. So open bracket, -1, right? I'm taking the second equation, plus 2y is equals to 3. It's the same thing as 3. Now, 3 times -1 is -3. If I take -3 to the other side, it becomes +3. So I will have 2y is equals to 6. 2y is the same thing as 3 plus 3, which is what? 6. Are you following? Good. So now, what else do? We have 2y to be 6. So what do we do next? We are going to find y. We are going to find y. So since 2x, 2y is now 6, it means that my y will be equals to 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So now y is 3 and x is -1. That is the answer we are looking for. All right, so that's good. So I can clear all this. If you have any question, please let me know. Do you understand all this? You can send message to me. Do you understand all this? Good, good. Thank you. I can see you said you understand. All right, so let me go to the next question. Now, this is only a revision of elimination method. So let's go to substitution method. Let us go to substitution method. Now, this is the substitution method. All right, so this one means that you are going to substitute, right? Now we are going to solve this now. You will see how easy this question is. You can see that my y is equals to 2x. And in this question, I also have y. So since in equation 1, y is 2x, I will change y in equation 2 to 2x because they are the same. So from equation 2, instead of writing y, I will write 2x. So I have 2x plus x squared is equals to 8x. It's the same thing as 8x. Are you following? Good. So what I do, I will bring 8x to the other side, to the left. So I have 2x plus x squared minus 8x is equals to 0. You know, when you take 8x to the left, it becomes minus. That's why I have minus here. Now, 2x minus 8x will give you minus 6x. So x squared minus 6x is equals to 0. Are you following? Now, let me take this up here. My x squared minus 6x is equals to 0. What I can do is to factorize. I can bring out x in that equation. I will have open bracket x, because when I multiply x by x, I'll get x squared minus 6. Minus 6, right, is equals to 0. So in this one, it means that x is either equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. That is the meaning of that equation there. No, please, x minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay. I hope you are getting it. You can send the message to me. Is equals to 0. Now in this one, it means that if I take minus 6 to the other side, it means my x is the same thing as 6. You can see? So my x is 6 and my x is also equals to 0. Now what I will do next, I will take these two answers and take it back to the equation so I can find the answer for y. Remember we said that y is 2x from the question. Y is equals to 2x from the question. So I have 2x. Okay, I want to just, okay, let me remove this. I can remove all this now so I have enough space to write. I hope you are getting it. Let me know if you have any challenge. So now my x is 0 and my x is 6. So I'll take 0 to this equation. Y is equals to 2x. Y is 2x and my x is 0. So I'll multiply that by 0. I've changed x to 0. So my y is equals to 0. That's the first y. As for the second y, I will change my x to 6 because x is 6. So I have 2 multiply 6, which is equals to 12. And that's what you are looking for. So x is 0, y is 0. X is 6, y is 12. I hope you understand this also. Right? So now we will go to the revision now for the test. We have talked about the elimination method, we have talked about the substitution method, and you are going to get, I sent some questions to you the last time, you did not solve them for substitution method. Why? That is the only way I can know that you understand the question, the lesson. Okay, so let's go to the revision.